Hi everyone. In the last few sections, what we've been through is initial setup for the organization. I won't go through it all, we've been through it. The other part, or the last section, we've been through the um, setup for the project by defining the delay causes or the reasons for delays, the constraints, and the section of works. And we've ended up with that section of works defining the ground floor, level 1, level 2, up to level 5. Today's session, we're going to look into how to create a look ahead program. And the process of creating a look ahead program um, is consisting of two parts. One is defining what look ahead we're looking for. So by selecting one of the um, reporting dates, and then we start adding the details on in this particular one. So it's basically selecting the reporting dates, which section of works we want to report towards, and then we start generating the details. An important thing to note that we have used the weekly reporting cycle, and we have in the project we have a start and finish date. So the weekly reporting cycle should be aligned with this start and finish date. So let's go to the project and then look ahead, and we create a new look ahead. And you can see that the commencement date is the first data date that we have, and then it will progressively increase a week on each until the last date of the project. So we have this is the full list of all the reporting days that we should be reporting towards. And then we can select a section, so we can create one for each of these sections. Or if we created a hierarchy where we want to have the overall program progress for the overall building, we can have it. But I prefer to have it by section because it is about the responsible person who's managing that section. So we just say that it's ground floor, and we hit save. As soon as we hit save, we just get that confirmation message saying that you have created the lookahead has been created successfully, but it doesn't have any activities. So in the activities, let's add any activity ID, and we say like blind. Let's start with excavation for foundation. That will commence on the Christmas day and will finish on the New Year. And we can add from here new activity. Let's give it any random number as well. So I'm not really doing anything special with that. We can say that blinding, and that will start after the finish of excavation, and it will take a few days. So let's put it for 3 days. Then we can add more activities, and we can call this maybe waterproofing, and give it a few days as well. So starting on the 3rd, so this Friday, so Saturday and Sunday off, and then we start Monday. And here we can give it all the way up to Friday 17th. Can add more activities like protection screed, and that should start on Monday and then finishes so it starts on the Monday on the 20th and finishes on the Friday. And let's add another activity, and okay, let's call it 3 bars for foundation, and that will be this week, Monday to the 31st of January. And let's consider our look ahead. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 activities. Hit save on that, and then we get the list of activities with the um, dates. So that's how we created a look ahead. We can edit if we want to, and if we don't want to edit, really, just go to the look ahead and we'll find our look ahead in here. Click on it, and then you can edit individual activities on their own, or you can edit the overall look ahead. And I prefer the second method, as you have the overall holistic view. You can change things and make sure that they work together. And that's it for this video. Please, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to get notified with the next and upcoming videos, where we're going to discuss things like constraint analysis and weekly work plan and how we can do it before we go into the reporting section, and that would be the overall tutorial, if you like. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.